When we think of the super-rich, what comes to mind? Is it the dazzling spectacle of mega-yachts slicing through azure waters, sprawling mansions perched on private hillsides, gleaming under the sun? These are the symbols of immense wealth, the final chapters of a story. But the real story, the one that truly matters, isn't about the spending, it's about the building. It's a tale told not in extravagant purchases, but in the quiet intensity of a chess match, the meticulous detail of a blueprint, and the unwavering execution of a long-term plan. So how are history's greatest fortunes actually constructed? Let's peel back the curtain and look beyond the glitter. The most visible path to extraordinary wealth is paved by the empire builders, the entrepreneurs who don't just participate in an industry, but redefine it entirely. Think of figures like Elon Musk. He didn't just decide to build a car. He envisioned a future powered by sustainable energy and then bent reality to his will with Tesla. He didn't just want to launch a rocket. He aimed to make humanity a multi-planetary species with SpaceX. Similarly, Jeff Bezos started not with a global logistics empire, but with a simple idea in a garage: selling books online. His relentless focus on customer obsession and long-term thinking transformed that humble beginning into Amazon, a behemoth that has fundamentally altered the fabric of global commerce. These titans build their fortunes by creating value on an unprecedented scale, turning bold, almost audacious visions into tangible, world-changing enterprises. Their wealth isn't just money, it's a byproduct of relentless innovation. But not all fortunes are forged in the fires of disruptive technology. There is a quieter, more patient path trod by the master investors. This is the domain of strategists like Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha. His philosophy isn't about chasing fleeting trends or high-risk gambles. Instead, it's about a disciplined, almost stoic approach to the market: value investing. Buffett's method involves identifying fundamentally strong, well-managed companies that are temporarily undervalued by the market. He buys not just a stock, but a piece of a business he believes in, like Coca-Cola or Apple. The true magic, however, lies in his second principle: holding for the long term. Through the power of compounding, where earnings from an asset are reinvested to generate their own earnings, a modest investment can grow into a colossal fortune over decades. It's a strategy that rewards patience over panic and deep understanding over speculative excitement, proving that slow and steady can indeed win the race. Beneath the grand strategies of empire building and master investing lie the unseen strategies, the disciplined financial mechanics that power the entire wealth creation engine. One of the most critical principles is the aggressive reinvestment of profits. Instead of cashing out, the wealthy continuously pour capital back into their ventures to fuel further growth, creating a powerful, self-perpetuating cycle of expansion. Another often misunderstood tool is the strategic use of debt. While personal debt can be a trap, the wealthy use leverage as a tool to acquire assets and scale their businesses, turning borrowed money into an engine for generating even greater returns. Finally, there's the bedrock of diversification. By spreading investments across various asset classes, from stocks and real estate to private equity and bonds, they build a financial fortress resilient enough to withstand market shocks and economic downturns. These aren't headline-grabbing tactics, but they are the essential non-negotiable rules for building and preserving true generational wealth. In the end, the journey to immense wealth is less about a single stroke of luck and more about a consistent, disciplined approach. It's a synthesis of audacious vision and patient execution. Whether it's the empire builder creating new industries, the master investor compounding value over a lifetime, or the diligent application of unseen financial principles, the core lesson remains the same. True fortune isn't found in a lottery ticket. It's meticulously built, piece by piece, decision by decision, with a clear vision fixed on a distant horizon. It is the ultimate testament to the power of long-term thinking, a masterpiece painted over the canvas of a lifetime.